the three types of media. So the first is print media. Print media is a type of media that involves the physical printing of information on paper, such as newspapers, magazine, and brochures. It is used for news, advertisements, education, entertainment. Here are examples of print media. The first is newspaper. A newspaper is a printed publication that is daily or weekly news about current events, weather, politics, and sports, entertainment, and more. For magazine, a magazine is printed publication that comes weekly or monthly, often focus on a specific topic or interest, like fashion, food, or celebrities.
Hello guys, what's up? Ano nga palang pag-usapan natin? Ang pag-usapan natin is what broadcast and media. Ang broadcast media daw is the transmission of information contained, signal printed, messages in audio or video, content to wide in group of recipients using radio, television, and newspaper, magazine, and digital media include the internet, email, and text. Yun lang, what's up?
Television, GMA, ABS-CBN, CNN. And for radio, DZMM, Love Radio. For films and movies, shown in cinemas or on TV.
So today we're going to talk a new media. So new media refers to a digital media that are interactive, decentralized, and constantly evolving. So it encompasses a wide range of technologies and platforms, including internet, mobile technologies, and video games like VR, streaming services, and social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok.